Yeah, talk about how you feel the team has improved from, like early in the season, Trinity.
I think we've learned a lot from our early district matches because we hadn't seen blocks as big and teams as big, and I think we're really learning to work through that.
Right, and how do you talk about how you feel like y'all offset, your lack of height? You're probably about one of the tallest ones, right?
Yes. So without much height, we really have to improve our defense, and our defense is doing really well.
And do you think teams kind of overlook y'all at times, maybe thinking,
yes.
Since y'all don't have the height, they think, well,
Yeah, like watching us in warm-up, you wouldn't think that we'd be a very good team, but we really surprised them with defense.
And what can you say, Trinity, being one of the veterans on the team? I know you're a junior, but what can you say about the play of some of the players that are their first year in varsity?
They've really stepped up. They add a lot to the team, and they're doing great.
And as far as making a push for the district championship, do you think that is that still an attainable goal?
Yes, I think it's very in our reach right now. We just have to beat the Midlands, which I think we can do.
Right. And what do you think is going to be kind of the key the rest of the way?
I think just working together and improving every day in practice is all you can do.